In the wild, survival is a daily battle, and every creature is armed with unique tools. Imagine two of nature's most formidable predators, the reticulated python and the spotted hyena. One is a silent muscular giant that kills with a crushing embrace. The other, a powerful hunter with bone-shattering jaws. This isn't just a contest of strength, it's a clash of two worlds. The python, a solitary phantom of the Asian jungles, waits in perfect stillness for the right moment to strike. The hyena, a social powerhouse of the African savanna, thrives on cooperation and competition. Both are apex predators, each feared in their own domain. The python relies on stealth and overwhelming constriction, the hyena on stamina and the power of a clan. It's muscle versus jaw, stealth versus stamina. Exploring this hypothetical battle lets us appreciate the amazing adaptations that make each animal a champion of survival. We'll break down their physical weapons, from the python's flexible jaw to the hyena's bone-crushing bite. Then we'll imagine the ultimate showdown, a face-off between these two titans. Who would have the upper hand? What tactics would they use? Ultimately, who would walk away the victor? Prepare for a journey into the heart of the wild, where only the best adapted survive. The stage is set for a battle of legendary proportions. Meet the reticulated python, a true giant, the longest snake on the planet, found in Southeast Asia. Some reach over 6 meters, weighing more than 75 kilograms of pure muscle. Its reticulated pattern provides perfect camouflage, making it a master of ambush. The python is a non-venomous constrictor, killing with strength, not venom. It strikes with lightning speed, latching on with backward curving teeth, then deploys its coils to suffocate prey. Now let's travel to Africa to meet the spotted hyena. Often misunderstood, the hyena is one of Africa's most successful predators, intelligent, social, and powerful. Large females can weigh over 60 kilograms, built for power and endurance. Their sloping build and massive shoulders give them immense strength for carrying food and fighting rivals. The hyena's greatest weapon is its bite, over 2,100 pounds per square inch, stronger than a lion's. This allows them to crack open thick bones for nutritious marrow. Hyenas are social, living and hunting in clans, taking down prey much larger than themselves. Their intelligence and cooperation make them a formidable force on the plains. Both the python and the hyena are apex predators, but their methods are worlds apart. One is a solitary ambusher, the other, a relentless team hunter. Their unique adaptations set the stage for an epic confrontation. Let's see how their strengths stack up. The reticulated python is built for one thing: to grab and squeeze. Its flexible skeleton and dense muscles give it unparalleled agility and strength. The python's jaw, connected by a flexible ligament, opens nearly 180 degrees, allowing it to swallow prey much wider than its head. Its backward curved teeth act like hooks, making escape nearly impossible. Constriction is its true weapon, not crushing bones, but cutting off blood flow. The python senses its prey's heartbeat, tightening its grip with precision until unconsciousness follows in minutes. This silent, inescapable death is a marvel of efficiency. The python's heat-sensing pits detect warm-blooded animals even in darkness. Its forked tongue gathers scent particles, giving it a directional sense of smell. These adaptations make the python a perfect nocturnal predator. It can track, ambush, and overpower prey with astonishing accuracy. Its patience and explosive power are unmatched in the jungle. Every part of its body is a weapon, from its jaws to its coils. The python is a master of stealth and sudden violence. In its world, few can escape its deadly embrace. The spotted hyena is a powerhouse of muscle and endurance. Its front-heavy build, with massive shoulders and neck, is perfect for dismembering carcasses and carrying heavy loads. The skull is reinforced for jaw strength, with large crests for muscle attachment. Its bite can crush the bones of large prey with ease. Specialized teeth allow it to consume bone, accessing nutrients other predators leave behind. Hyenas have exceptional stamina, able to run at high speeds for long distances. Their large hearts fuel relentless pursuits, outlasting even the fastest prey. Intelligence is another weapon. Hyenas solve problems and communicate in complex clans. Their social structure enables coordinated hunts and defense. This blend of brawn and brain makes the hyena a dominant predator. On the savanna, few can match its combination of power, endurance, and cunning. The python is the ultimate ambush predator, waiting motionless for days, blending into its surroundings. When prey approaches, it strikes with explosive speed, latching on and coiling tightly. Just a few coils around the chest are enough to end the fight quickly. The prey has little chance once caught in the python's grip. The hyena, in contrast, is a pursuit predator, relying on teamwork and stamina. Hunts often begin at dusk, with the clan tracking and chasing prey over long distances. They target the vulnerable, using relentless attacks to wear prey down. Hyenas bite at legs and underbellies, weakening and slowing their quarry. Once the animal collapses, the clan overwhelms it, feeding even on the toughest bones. Their cooperative, relentless strategy allows them to hunt animals much larger than themselves. The python's solitary ambush and the hyena's coordinated pursuit are two of nature's most effective hunting methods. Each is perfectly adapted to its environment and prey. Picture a clearing where jungle meets savanna, a rare place where these titans could meet. A massive python lies hidden near a waterhole, motionless for days. A lone hyena, separated from her clan, approaches to drink, senses alert. She doesn't see the python's coils in the shadows. The python senses her warmth and movement, waiting for the perfect moment. As the hyena lowers her head, the python strikes, mouth wide, teeth sinking into her shoulder. The hyena yelps, trying to pull away, but the python's grip is firm. Instantly, the snake begins to coil around her torso and neck. The hyena thrashes, snapping her jaws, fighting to break free. The python must secure its coils quickly. The hyena must use her jaws before she's immobilized. Water splashes as they struggle, muscle against muscle, jaw against coil. The python tries to pin the hyena, squeezing with all its strength. The hyena scrabbles for footing, growling and biting. It's a contest of two fighting styles. Silent constriction versus frantic, bone-shattering power. The outcome hangs on the next few seconds. Will the python immobilize its prey, or will the hyena land a fatal bite? In this chaotic clash, every move could decide the victor. The first moments are crucial. The python's best chance is a perfect ambush. If it latches onto the hyena's neck or head, it can quickly coil and restrict her breathing and movement. With each struggle, the python tightens its grip, using the hyena's own strength against her. But if the hyena senses danger and dodges, the python may only catch a leg or hindquarter. Now the hyena is alert, facing her attacker. With the python attached to her leg, she can turn and bite. A single, well-placed bite could shatter the snake's spine or skull, crippling it instantly. The python's muscle is formidable, but not invincible. If the hyena lands a devastating bite before the python can readjust, the fight shifts in her favor. It becomes a brutal test of speed and precision. Can the hyena strike before the python coils again? In this battle, surprise and reaction time are everything. The battleground itself can decide the winner. In the jungle, the python has the edge, using cover and anchoring its coils for extra leverage. The hyena's speed and maneuverability are limited by dense vegetation. The python can trap the hyena against obstacles, making escape difficult. In this terrain, the python's stealth and power dominate. On the open savanna, the tables turn. The python is exposed, its camouflage ineffective, with nowhere to anchor itself. The hyena controls the engagement, using space to dodge and attack from different angles. She can tire the python out, dart in for bites, and retreat before the snake can respond. The hyena's intelligence and mobility shine in open ground, and if her clan is nearby, the python stands no chance against a coordinated attack. Environment is everything. Each animal is a master in its own world. On neutral ground, the fight is balanced, but the slightest environmental edge could tip the scales. The outcome depends on where and how the battle unfolds. Declaring a single winner between the reticulated python and the spotted hyena is nearly impossible. Both are products of millions of years of evolution, perfectly adapted to their worlds. The python is a master of stealth and explosive power, dominating the jungle with silent efficiency. The hyena thrives on the savanna, using stamina, teamwork, and intelligence to rule. Each is a champion in its own context. A fight between them is less about superiority and more about circumstance. Who strikes first, where the battle takes place. Nature's rules are complex, and outcomes hinge on countless factors. Both animals command respect for their mastery of survival. The wild isn't about who's strongest, but who's best adapted. So, On neutral ground, who do you think would win?